What's happening, everybody? I'm going to do a bit of a ride along for you. Density altitude is right at 1,200 feet. Going to get the burnout going and then get ready to rock and roll. Exciting. Wait for this guy to stage. Here we go. On the light. Let's see. The contraption says a 10.2 something. I'm going to think it's like a 30. I think 10.2 is a little bit optimistic, and they don't have a board down here, and we're obviously going off of the app. So if you want to catch me tonight, if you're watching this on Friday, I'm going to post this pretty quickly today, but it'll be a car number 1182, which is my car number for this year. So we're showing 10.2 on the contraption. I'm going to say probably a 10, maybe a 10.29. I tell you what, if this thing just went at 20 and I've got the passenger seat in the car, all of that good stuff, that'd be pretty awesome, but I think that's a little bit optimistic. Anyway, hope y'all had fun on that ride along. I'm going to wrap it up. Y'all have a great one. Adios.